Hey guys, geez, that's a lot of echo. Hello, hello. Yeah, that's a lot of echo. Okay. Hey guys, so this is just a sound test, um, to see if, if the sound test, if the sound quality for the video comes out good. I'm just going to be quickly, just moving some dials here. Hopefully I can. Whoa. Okay, not that one. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, so This is just going to be a quick. Um. Turn that down. That down. This is just going to be a quick sound check, like just to see which quality is better. I'm doing internal closing for my for the video. Then I'm going to do internal opening. See which one sounds better. So I'm going to be uploading these videos on my podcast channel to see which one works better. Anyway,